Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Instagram and preparing the audio file you want named. If it's your own recording, Instagram will show it as original audio at your name by default. You cannot directly rename that tag. Once updated, open Reels and upload the clip so Instagram creates the original audio page. If you want a custom track name that appears like a commercial song, pause here. Move the file to a music distributor or platform that supplies metadata before continuing. If your goal is a visible, editable song title, upload the track to a distributor that sends metadata to Instagram and Facebook catalogs. That's why you do this. Fill title, artist, SRC, and artwork accurately because Instagram reads that catalog. Once distributed, give it time, sometimes 24-72 hours, for the catalog to update. Then repost or replace the real audio by selecting the new catalog track. So Instagram displays the supplied song. Once the catalog update finishes, open the reel, tap the audio, and choose the distributed track to show its official name. If Instagram still shows your original audio, remove the reel and repost using the catalog track link. That forces the new metadata to attach. If it still fails, check your distributor delivery report and contact their support, then submit an Instagram help request. This solves most propagation or rights matching conflicts. Also, make sure the track isn't blocked in your region.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.